So here we will be testing the user journey. This means that we want you to determine a cost and the final selling price of a product, which means that we want you to click through the entire journey. We want you to focus your feedback on how the journey makes you feel, on the logic of the flow and also of what is expected of you. Please note that you can ignore the layout and colors and the placement of the buttons. So if you click on the screen, we want you to take this first product. We want you to add a product, read through the description of the information that we would ask of you, and then determine a cost, determine a target, and determine a final price. So all we want you to do is click through the entire system, click follow the journey, read through all of the screens, and give us feedback on each screen regarding the flow and the logic. Please write here, I like, I wish, what if, for each of the screens that you land on. Thank you very much.